me see. Fucking.
Where's your antenna? Oh, here?
Yeah, I already checked it. It fucking looked fine.
Yeah, it is.
Let me see.
Everything's closed. Battery might be low as fuck.
Yeah, that might be it. I don't know if that might have been it. I remember I was flying this pack over there.
Oh, yeah, of course. Oh.
Or it overheats.
Oh.
With the touch that shit.
I know what you're talking. I know.
This is fucking hot as fuck.
I think we should drill some holes in that.